Hey you everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. The reaction is an amazing beautiful TikTok video. This is so nice TikTok video. If you like, so must subscribe. And if you are watching our reaction video, my name is Na. I am here from India, so must share, must subscribe. This is so nice and beautiful girls in this video. This is Smiley Beauty. So let's check out.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
This is nice.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD. Please subscribe Amato
Wow,
Films
she's
HD.
beautiful. I like it. Oh,
Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
oh, I like it.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD. Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
Wow, I like it.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD. Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
Oh, nice.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
Amazing. Wow. Nice ladder.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
Oh, this is nice. Wow.
Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
I like it. Really? So hot. Oh, amazing.
Please subscribe Amato
What is
Films
it?
HD. Please subscribe Amato Films HD.
Oh, this is cute. I like it. Wow guys, it's really amazing video. I like this video. This is so nice and so beautiful girls in this TikTok video. This is the Lil Case, he's the singer name, he's the Somali singer, and this is the amazing TikTok beautiful girl. I really like. If you like, so must share, must subscribe, and you are watching our reaction video. My name is Nav. So love you. Take care. Bye bye.